Shariz, we are doing fiscal policy. Okay, the chapter name is fiscal policy. Now here we are at principle of the taxation. Now the quality of the good tax system. The first one, equity. The tax rate should be justifiable rate based on the ability of the taxpayer. Equity means you have to decide that the person is able to pay that tax. You are not going to burdenize them. Got my point? So the first quality of the good taxation system is equity. You are accountable. You have to observe that the person is in a position to pay them or to pay us. Then certainty. Information about the amount of the tax to be paid, when to pay it, and how to pay it should allow and should all be informed to the taxpayer. This much tax you have to pay, this is the way you have to pay. Then economy. The cost of collecting tax must be kept to a minimum and shouldn't exceed the tax revenue itself. For example, you are going to decide that 1 million you have to collect the tax. Okay, you shouldn't cross it, because you would cross, many people will be affected. Got it? Convenience. Convenient time, when everyone in a position to pay you, not every time. For example, if we talk about the agriculture, let's say the rain isn't happened in that particular year, then you won't ask the public or like the kisans that you have to pay the agriculture, or you can say agriculture tax. Okay, because of the rain or without rain, they didn't produce much quantity as they were producing in the last year. Okay, then elasticity. The tax imposition and the collection system must be flexible so that tax rates can be easily changed as the person income changes. Okay, simplicity. That the tax system must be simple so the both collector and the payer understand it very well. That was a simple quality of the good tax.